Listen carefully.
Hello, friends. This is Ben. And today we have an incredibly exciting challenge. My friends and I have to learn as many phrases in English as possible in 24 hours. And the winner will get $10,000. But there's one condition. We are all absolute beginners in English. So there will be plenty of funny and awkward moments. So, are you ready? Let's go. Ben. Well, I know a couple of words. Like a hello and thank you. But that's it. Anyway, let's go. Noah. Well, I probably know how to say what's up. That's all I need, I'm sure. Carl. I studied a bit in school, but I hope it will be cool. At least I know how to say I love pizza. Chris. Well, I can at least place an order. But talking to someone seriously, not sure. Chris. Actually, my goal is to learn to say I'm hungry. And where is the bathroom? Each participant is given a set of phrases to learn. Ben. Look, we have cards with simple phrases. For example, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from? And you need to master them, pronounce them, and use them in conversation. We will compete to see who learns the most. Noah says something completely wrong. Carl confuses. How are you? With, how do you do? And Chris struggles to remember the word restaurant. Ben. Whoa, guys. This isn't English, this is some new language. Noah, instead of, how are you? Says, how is your dog? And Carl confuses, what's your name? With, what's your number? Participants are given their first practical assignment. They must learn the phrases and apply them in practice by making a real order at a cafe or restaurant. Ben. Look, we have a real assignment. You must order something at a cafe using the phrases you learned. Whoever does it better and correctly will get a bonus. Each takes turns trying to order food or drinks at a cafe where all the baristas speak only English. Noah mixes up orders, trying to order pizza instead of coffee. Noah, can I have pizza? Barista, surprised, we don't serve pizza here, sir. Noah, looking at the menu. Can I have coffee then? Everyone laughs. Noah tries to pronounce the latte and struggles. Carl orders something too complicated, confusing the word cappuccino with avocado. Carl. Can I have avocado cappuccino? Barista, smiling. Sorry, we don't serve avocado cappuccino here. But I can make you a cappuccino. Carl, embarrassed. Yes, please, cappuccino. After several hours of studying, participants are given an extra task. To speak English with real people. Like a barista in a cafe. Ben. Now the task. Go outside and try to talk to someone in English. It can be anyone. A barista, a passerby, or even a taxi driver. Whoever does the best will get a bonus. Each participant takes turns approaching passersby, trying to start a conversation. Noah asks people. Excuse me, where is the nearest pizza place? Passerby, looking puzzled. There's a pizza place down the street, but why do you want pizza? It's 9 a.m. Everyone laughs. Carl tries to ask a passerby questions but stumbles a lot. Excuse me, what's your name? Passerby, surprised. My name? It's Mike. Carl, looking at the map and spelling it out. Mike. Mike. Passerby. Yes, that's right. Carl, with surprise. Oh. I remembered something. Yes. Participants start showing improvement. More confident moments appear. They begin to understand each other better. But there are still plenty of funny moments when someone can't pronounce a word. Ben. So, guys, you've started mastering basic phrases. Now the task is to use them in real life. Let's have a conversation in English in these cool cars. The group gets into electric cars and starts discussing where to go. How to spend the evening. The process is easy for some, but Noah still gets confused. Noah. So, what do you like to do? Like, hobbies? Chris, looking at the map. I like, eat pizza and watch TV. Noah. Nice, nice. I like to, sleep. And play video games. Carl. I like, wait. I think I said that wrong. Ben, laughing. Well, at least you're trying. Everyone starts discussing their hobbies in English. Trying to use new phrases. Some make mistakes. Some correct themselves. But everyone gradually starts sounding more confident. Ben decides to add another task. Interviewing strangers on the street. Participants must ask not only basic questions, but also try to talk about themselves, using the phrases they've learned. Ben. Guys, now we have a new level. You need to approach people and conduct a small interview with them. Tell them about yourself. Ask them what they do. You can do this. And remember, whoever speaks correctly will get another bonus. Everyone approaches passersby, and a real conversation begins. Noah, hi. My name is Noah. I'm from the United States. I like to play video games. What do you do? Passerby. Hi. I'm Michael. And I work as a graphic designer. Noah, scared, not knowing the word designer. Wow. You make, pictures? Michael, smiling. Yes, exactly. All right, friends, it's time to count your points. I'm really impressed. You all made incredible progress. But only one of you will win $10,000. Who's got the best result? Points are tallied. Each participant earns points for the number of phrases learned, correct usage, and confidence in speaking. Congratulations, Noah. You've won $10,000. And to everyone else. You're awesome too because you've taken your English skills to the next level. If you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below on who you think was the best student. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.